Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm having a look at IT Works Electronics Repair Simulator Playtest. This one comes from Games Incubator, one of my favourite developers. I like most of their games. As all my regulars know, my main game is Ship Graveyard 2, waiting on Ship Graveyard 3 to come out. I've also got what other game was I was waiting to come out? Oh yeah, playing Graveyard. I'll probably get a playtest of Ship Graveyard 3 before that though, so fingers crossed they bring out something new soon because I enjoy all of their games. Anyway, let's get into a new game of this and see how confused my old brain gets. Welcome to new workplace. It's a modest garage, bought on credit. Okay, I'm not going to read all of this because I've got a sore throat today. Okay. Customers don't know you yet. Installments won't pay themselves. Okay. Need to clean the garage. Yeah, that's average. A lot of trash. Let's just get on with that. How's the movement? Movement's good. Yup. And throw. Not sure how loud that actually is. No. That's actually as loud as it. Is in my headphones. I will adjust that. Definitely a plane out there. I just can't find it. Nice sky though. Alright, turn on the computer and check my mailbox. There's people out there. Can I open that gate? Nope. Okay, I'm a prisoner. That's alright. Direction, emails. Read messages, shops, jobs. All that cool stuff. Okay, Mr. Alien, first job. Yeah, you'll give me a shot. Okay. Okay, neutral. Speechless phone. Well, could be a few different things. Close that down. Log out. Interesting. So the courier drops off in the pickup. Does that mean the courier picks up in the drop-off? Won't ask too many questions on that one. On the left side of the screen, show backpack. Right side, it's container. Move items by dragging them or clicking the right mouse button to transfer. Skateboard tab to close it and pretty window. Interact. A broken phone. Can't do anything with that cardboard box. Okay. To repair this phone, you'll need to buy specific tools. Different devices and components require the use of different tools. I can't pick that back up. I want it there. Okay, I'm stuck to that. Let me see these. Okay. Escapist Council. Alright then. Shop button. Purchase equipment. Decoration. Repair tools. Soldering iron. Spud jar. Bigger spud jar. Voltmeter. What else we got? USB screwdriver. Jewel screwdriver. Okay. So I've got $10,000. Right. Waiting for delivery. Okay, unless I'm gonna see planes fly over, we've got to get rid of that plane noise. Have to. It's unnecessary. Put that in my inventory. Put this one over here. I'll put my soldering iron. That there. Right, trying to start repair focus because repairs are not always easy. Client mentioned something is wrong with the audio. Well, speechless audios. Is WASD and QE up down. Looks like I'm already glued to the desk. G to enable the cursor. play sound. Sound indeed is not working. Move the screen and look inside. Wonder if I can do things myself for a minute. Antenna works. So on Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth's good. Okay. Spot jar in there and run it. Okay. Alright, so just click and hold the left mouse button and we're off. Down this butcher. Hey, put the screw in your backpack. Okay, I'll just use T. Okay, grab the voltmeter. Up the probe. And probe. Apply the probe to the highlighted solder points. That's a pass. In direction in and out, so the outs pass. In's a pass. Out is a fail. Okay. Gets it in, but it can't get it out, then that's definitely a fail. Okay, click on an empty space on the desk to put down the voltmeter probe, or automatically return to the device. To safely unsolder the capacitor, you must first disconnect it from power supply. Blue spudger. I can spudge that. Put you there. Solder line, you're a bit far away. We'll fix you. Follow the soldering iron. Unsolder it. Simple click and she done. Okay, where's the workbench? Useless now, so you can throw it in the trash and order a new one. You also need green glue to reattach it. Okay. Right, capacitor. See, if that bin was in here, that'd be a lot easier. Shame I can't pick the bin up and move it. Anyway. First world problems. Having to walk. Capacitors, red one. Miscellaneous. Screen adhesive. It's a shame I can't get into everything else at the moment. Basket, close. Look out. Now while no one's looking, I'll just jump back in. electronic parts, motherboard, displays, buttons, cables, audio cable and power cable. Displays, fuses, capacitors. Can even get batteries. Yeah, I'm coming. Okay. Put you there. Solder you on. I want to solder this one first. Okay, I'll stick to the rules. Very strict tutorial. Press on the battery ribbon to reconnect it. Grab and probe. And the out is good. Wow. Take the phone out. Phone screen out of your backpack and attach it. Yep, it works. Okay, pull you out. Why can't I use that right now? I did that. You've been a pain in the rear. Okay, leave the workbench. Phone's fixed. Time to ship. Need to order package. Send the repaired item. Oh. Pick you up. Put you there. Wipe away. I'll turn down my trans. It should help. So I'm going to go deaf. Put you there. The computer and interact. Manage your workflow. Here you can view detailed information about your current orders, finances, track progress, finance progression, Current workshop is workshop. Open the orders panel. Current order. Prepare to send. And leave. Pick up. Interact. Interact. Right. Just gotta press the right buttons. That helps, apparently. $175. The robot will collect your package and deliver it to the customer. You just earned your first money. Good luck. Find damaged components. Work with them. Place your work on. Analyze the signal carefully and look for the true cause of the problem. The device is working correctly. All components pass the signal along. Components damaged, the signal does not pass through. A signal does not always mean that specific element is at fault. Maybe further back, check the voltage. Okay. Box. Sean Murphy wants. Need help. The phone started doing weird things. Weird things. Some functions work fine while others completely ignore me. Can't rely on it anymore. When you open it up, figure out what's broken and replace it. So what? I'll give it a go. I may or may not set your phone on fire. Bye. See you in a few minutes. Goodness me. That helps if I take it out first. Get rid of this box. Okay, sound is good. Wi-Fi. Antenna is negative. Let's escape the table for a sec and pick that back up. Yeah, I'll leave you there like that. So the antennas acting weird. So let's move up here. Yeah, that's in is a fail. Out is a fail. In is a good. Not at a very good angle here. Come on, be realistic. Okay. Little green one. Get ready to soon. Shop. Lots. Antennas. That's not the antenna, that's capacitor. Green one. So I'd be happier if I could. Alright, rotate is that way. No, see, that's what happens. You just gotta pay attention after a while and you'll work things out. Oh no. Wait, I messed up. Okay. Okay, let's not stuff up this time. Right. Don't be an idiot because it costs a lot of money. So yeah, that's all it takes, folks. One lack of brain power. Well, I've got $10,000 to stuff it up with. Can I just put that box on here? Okay, you're definitely off. grab you. Okay. See. Lack of thinking, lack of thinking. Let's get 5 of those because I know that I'm gonna get a lot more. You on. Grab you. Put you on. Escape. Go. Put down. Put down. Interact. Grab a box. Yeah, that's not where I want to be. It's supposed to be here. Pick you up. Interact. Okay. Alright, let's see if I can do the next one without goofing it. Alright, Sylvia going on a trip. Decide to break down, it turns on, some hardware components definitely failing. Okay, I will accept your mission. Can't get through that door, can I? Nope. Can't get in the house either. Okay. But yeah, it doesn't work at all, so Two fuses there, could be those. Could be this connector too. Don't think you can get a new one of those though. See, wouldn't that be an input on that side? And out into the phone. Not complaining, but okay, so I'll need that changed first. Use no wonder we can make a fortune on these repairs. $40 for a 20-cent fuse. It's not bad money, not bad at all. Okay, so if there's a way that we can, like, just get the stuff straight out of the box into the inventory and then toss the box, something like that, so it's not triple movements all the time, that would be good. Okay. You're off, you're off, you're off, you're off. See, it's still failing. Okay. So occasionally, you know, you think about things afterwards. Still disconnected, good. So this is what happens if you don't think. No. Okay. More non-thinking. See, I thought about this before. Did I do something about it? No. I'll get both of these. Goodness gracious. Okay, so you don't want me repairing your stuff. That much we know. I'm very old and very forgetful. Like I've said before, I can forget what I'm doing midway through making a cup of coffee. I'll put you right there. Gonna get you. Yeah, I can't put you on there. Okay, so that sucks. So yes, which is what we want to do. Okay, so that's the one that I need. Put you in. See, this bit's a little bit howdy-doody as well. So that's just something that can slimline that just a little bit better. Still a fail. Let me out of this desk for a minute. Come over here. See, why can't I put you down? Why? Because I'm just not thinking at all, am I? Reconnect you for a minute. So you're still a fail. So there's only one thing between there and there. There's a fuse, and there's that. Okay, this is gonna drive me crazy. Put that away. Okay, so let's think about this for a moment. Chinese toast. So can I grab anything from here and put it anywhere but all? I can't stick those things in there. I have to be able to put things somewhere. But you can't. You can't put anything anywhere. Well, let's have a look. Decorations. Workbench. Shelf. Tools. It's only tools I've got. Electronic parts. Let's have a look. Buttons. Audio cable. Yep, cable. So jump out of here for a moment. Okay, I'll put you there. So you can't spudger any of these cables here. Can take that one from there. Put that back down. Okay then. Fail out, fail in. That has nothing to do with this though. So you're failing out. So if you fail out, just going this way, there's no in. So if we've got to fail between here and here, we're good here. And we're good here. But then we... No, this is illogical. It really is. So they've been changed. No difference. You're good, you're good, you're good. Okay, so get this. Oh look, there's no space in the backpack. So what can we do? We can't put that anywhere. If you can't put it anywhere, what are you supposed to do with it? Nothing. Go back there a minute. Just gonna have to guess that they are actually bad. They're probably not. Now, did I spudgy you up? I did, just can't tell that you're up. Can't spudgy you up. Okay, so you can't disconnect anything. I can't change everything in this entire thing. Okay, so because it's being ridiculous, let's put a battery in. Okay, let's pretend like we've got a good battery. Since you can't test the battery. Okay, you're a fail. You're not. Okay, so that end is good. Let's check these ones. Okay, so let's leave the table. Can't do anything with that, so let's put it in there. Check that. Doesn't tell you what condition that's in. Doesn't tell you anything. Should tell you if it's broken. But does it? No. Okay, so okay, here goes another $100. Okay, so it's to tell you when parts are actually broken in your inventory. You need to be able to put things down. Okay. Yeah, because if you pull something out, it should tell you if it's good or bad. See, just replaced it. Full failure. See. So you're going to guess that something's wrong there. There's no way of testing anything there. Or here. You can't test buttons, you can't test anything. Just make sure that everything fails while it's plugged in as well. Okay, so these two here are passing. Okay, so this is catastrophic failure. How many spots have I got in inventory? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if I pull 5 chips out of here, throw them all away and get all the other ones. Maybe because everything is dead. Okay, so we're dead there. We're good there. This is ridiculous. Sorry, but it is. It's absolutely ridiculous. Fail. Pass. Fail. We actually got some passing there. And now fails at this end. This woman should just get a new phone. So if I could plug this to some sort of power, I could test this properly. See, that one's broken. Right, okay. So I have thrown a lot of good parts away. Okay, so okay. So I'm going to change this one, and then any more failures I get, I'll just rip them out, check them, rip them out, check them. So, because things shouldn't really be this way. For a playtest, it's not bad. It's probably mostly my fault because it's the middle of the night and I should have done this a lot earlier. My brain was more awake. Okay, so you're still failing, you're still failing. Okay, so this one's new. Just see if we've got a fail coming into it. Let's fail into there. Yeah, it's a pass, thank you. And so I've got this, oh, I've got to fail in. Are you gonna fail? No, you're gonna pass. So. Fail. Zero volt pass. 4 volt pass. 0 and out. You're not taking in. But is it this one? So, you're out. Okay, so let's just rip things off. See if they're good. You're good. Sometimes you just get annoyed and need to rip everything apart. You don't say you're broken. So neither of those are broken. Oh well, now it's broken. Yeah, good. Okay. Yeah, you're broken. Right. Yeah, that's how you break things. Right, so you're definitely broken. That's definitely broken. That's not. Well, I'm going to rip these ones here off and Okay. They're not broken. That's the only broken thing. I broke it. Okay. Okay, this is... Drive me insane now. Oh, that's broken. It's not broken, that's not broken. That one, that one. Okay. Okay, so I'll solder all this back on. What else can it be? Just that one. Tell me how much I'm stuffing up and how easy this actually is. I don't usually do repairs without being able to put power through things. So we need a new one of those, that much we know. So I'm going to pull off these ones and check them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, okay. I haven't solved that one on yet. So I've got to take that one off. Okay. They're all good. It's the only broken thing. Okay, so this is going to drive me nuts. Let's solder all of this stuff back in. Okay, so I've got 4 there and 3 there. Literally last things to check. Literally last things to check. What says outside? Fails outside. That's one good possibility. You're going up to the Wi-Fi. Can't use that tester. Okay. You're going up to the antenna. Right, so I'm going to rip this one off, this one off. That one. That one, that one. That one. That one. Okay, it's going to tell me that's none of these. It's trying to drive me insane. I can't test you. Just don't have solder on you. Right, so they're in the wrong spots. I know that. You know what? Let's solder them in there anyway. Okay. What's broken? Processor. Put in a new processor. Let's be done with it. Okay, if this thing doesn't work now, then that's fail in. It's fail out. This thing has to be broken. Even though it didn't say that it was broken, that has to be broken. You're getting your phone back. They're like, don't tell me that's fail in. Because you know what? all of that, and it was lying to me. Take your phone. Get your phone out of here. You're done. Right. Okay, so even though it said there was problems, there wasn't problems. That needs to be fixed. Okay. Because that did my head in. Take a moment to fill out a short survey. I will do that most certainly. I did enjoy the game apart from slight little niggles. Like the fact that it wasn't giving you correct information, and yeah. Apart from that last one, I enjoyed the game. Looking forward to when the full thing comes out. So, that's why I'm going to have to leave it. And I'll try that again later. Just off camera and see how it goes. But until next time, guys, get this one edited, uploaded, all that fun stuff. Because I missed my last video time slot, so this one's going to be out of place. Anyway, enough yapping. So, ciao for now, guys. See you in the next one.